We head to Schots Home Emporium in Melbourne to check in with Natalee Bowen for some tips and tricks you can use in your own home.
When your pad goes down, you need to be starting to think about your fixtures and fittings. Now, these are so imperative because as soon as that pad and that cement goes down, the plumber needs to be talking to the builder about what your selections have been. What colour to go with. A really simple way to choose is to actually stick with a chrome if you really have that hard decision to make. But if you're willing to actually step out of your comfort zone and start looking at some features, look at doing either a black, a gold, or even a polished nickel, but make sure that you coordinate back with the handles and also your pendant lights. One of the mistakes that people make is that they choose a different colour spout to a different colour handle in their cabinetry, and this can actually look really jarring when you walk in. The choices that you start making with all of your hardware are really imperative to the style and the look and feel of your home. If you're looking for more of a traditional look, or if you're looking at modern, this is the area that you can start bringing those elements to life. You can really impart your style and your look into your home by just using some beautiful feature tapware and handles. I found that at Schots Emporium, the amount of range that you have here so that you can really start touching and feeling and seeing how they're going to work in your home is really important.